Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a lock screen wallpaper on iOS 16. This is a quick and easy process that anyone can do. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end and follow the simple steps. And you'll have your wallpaper deleted in no time. To get started, unlock your iPhone using Interface ID or Touch ID, and once unlocked, do not exit the lock screen. Simply tap and hold the lock screen until you see the lock screen customization option. And now you can swipe through and see all of your lock screen wallpapers. Just find the wallpaper that you want to delete and then swipe up on that lock screen just like this, and a trash can icon will appear. So in order to delete a lock screen wallpaper, simply tap on that trash icon and then tap on delete this wallpaper. And now you have successfully deleted a lock screen wallpaper on iOS 16. So that's how you can do this easily. If you have any question about this process, let me know in the comment section. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.